This is the best ticker to buy heading into the upcoming week. What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to another OBS non-biased price prediction video. Today, I'm going to be giving you guys the best ticker to go ahead and purchase for the upcoming week, and I'm going to be telling you exactly at what prices to jump in as well. Now, we did take some profitable trades on this ticker today in our own trading community. However, we're going to be talking about exactly where to get in and where to get out. So, without further ado, let's get into it. What is this ticker going to be? This is going to be nothing than CPOP. That's right, my friends, CPOP. Now, this is a wild one. This is a wild one. We're going to be talking about exactly why I'm talking about CPOP and much, much more. So without further ado, if you watch these videos on a weekly basis, on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Over 60% of you guys watch these videos and are not subscribed. I only have one goal. The goal is be at 50,000 subscribers, 50K. Yeah, 50,000 subscribers. I was about to say 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And I believe it's possible. I know it's an ambitious goal, but I think we can do it. So please, 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 if you watch these videos on a weekly basis, monthly basis, daily basis, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Now, let's get into it. So when it comes to CPOP, guys, this is a ticker which went absolutely parabolic, running from the 63 cents all the way upwards of $1.18. But what caused this news? As always, the first thing we talk about is going to be the why, right? Why do we talk about the why first? Because in order to anticipate the longevity of a play and whether or not this is going to be a multi-day rally or not, we really need to analyze the sustainability of the catalyst that is causing the ticker to move. That's it. It's that simple, right? Is the reason why the ticker moving legit or not? That's all we want to talk about. Now, when it comes to CPOP, the company today announced that it plans to enter the cryptocurrency markets. Now, if you don't know what's been going on, okay? If you don't know what's been going on, treasuries are the new freaking shiny thing, okay? Every company's launching a new treasury, right? Bitcoin treasury, Litecoin treasury, Dogecoin treasury, Ethereum treasury, freaking fart coin treasury, Trump coin treasury, this coin treasury, right? Hype coin treasury. Treasury is the name of the game. Treasury has become the name of the game. Okay? Now, this got people excited because anytime a company announces a treasury, guess what happens to their stock? Shoots to the moon. Now, this company has yet to actually announce how they're going to be entering the markets, right? Now, it's a little bit confusing as to whether or not they plan to actually launch a treasury or not. But this is what they have to say, okay? It said Pop Culture will venture into cryptocurrency realm primarily based on the following core value proposition, efficient payment. Okay, well, we don't care about this, right? So I'm curious. I'm curious if they're gonna go ahead and they're actually gonna launch their own crypto, which would be stupid, but I doubt that's what they're gonna do, okay? Because if we go back, right, if we go back and we take a look at BTOG, okay? Mind you, this is a Chinese company, okay? This is a Chinese company. Now, you guys know what I think about Chinese companies, but I'll tell you guys why this one's a little bit different, okay? When we go to BTOG, a ticker which we actually talked about yesterday as well in our community, right? BitOrigin secures $500 million equity and debt facilities to launch Dogecoin treasury. Okay, so I'm not surprised that CPOP kind of saw this, and CPOP is like, huh, well, when you look at BTOG's price action, tick around from 32 cents to $1, right? So I'm not surprised that CPOPs are looking back like, well, this looks like there could be a really big opportunity for us, right? This looks like we could really get things moving. Okay, so for me, guys, when it comes to understanding, what's gonna happen next, right? I always like to compare and have a comparison and contrast between companies that are, similar catalysts, that have the similar catalyst, and they're kind of just, running based off of the same catalyst, right? Exactly like I said, right? Similar catalyst. Because at the end of the day, I think when it comes to trading penny stocks, right, the why is so crucial. This is something that people don't really give the why enough credit for. And I think that this comes down to a lot of you guys are watching, traders that are freaking trading either crypto or they're trading Forex. Like, you guys are watching TJR and FX Alex and these people, and they're talking about patterns, this pattern and that pattern. And you're not understanding that, listen, it doesn't matter what the fuck the pattern tells you if the company comes out and the company says, we cured cancer. Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm telling you? So this is why I put so much emphasis on analyzing the why, understanding the why. Okay, and what role does this why play in the broader markets? What is going on in the broader markets? Do the broader markets actually care about this why or not? Because let me tell you something. Personally, I don't care about this treasury stuff. I actually think that this whole treasury thing is a scam. I think that it's the biggest scam out there. I don't think any of these treasuries are going to last the test of time. That's what I think. However, I'm cognizant enough and I'm present enough in the markets to understand, hey, Any company that announces a treasury, their stock goes crazy. Okay? That's it. It's that simple. No buts, no ifs, no whys, no whats. No buts. It's that simple. Now, let's move on to the what. So, first things first, first red flag, right, about CPOP, right? Probably the biggest red flag I want to see, honestly, when it comes to CPOP. Let's go back. It's going to be that they are Chinese. However, the company's overhead supply is right now very small, meaning that, you know, they are unlikely to dilute right now unless they come out with an offering, which I doubt they will until they announce the treasury news. And then their cash need also, the thing I like the most about the company is that they're cash flow positive. The company's already cash flow positive. They're bringing in $1.2 million every single quarter. That's amazing. That is amazing. That's wonderful. Okay? So I like that a lot. Now, when it comes to Cpop, guys, remember, I could be wrong. I always tell you guys this, right? I always tell you guys this. I could be wrong, right? I have an 82% win rate, guys. That means that 20% of the time I'm wrong. Now, 20% of the time being wrong, what does that equate to? That equates to 50 trading days in a year. There are 250 days in total. 20% of that, that's 50 days. 50 days out of a year, I'm wrong. I'm losing money, right? So please, please, please don't just take what I say for the end all be all. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, right? And look, this 82% win rate, this is freaking like 500 trades later, right? Your favorite mentor, you know, this is what your favorite mentor does. He goes like this. He goes, look, everyone, I have a 90 plus win rate. It's like, nice, bro. You got a 90% win rate fucking 10% of the time. Congratulations. Right? But we've been doing very well. Okay, month of July, we only had one red day. I didn't update it yet, but yesterday was a red day for us. June, we only had one red day. May, we only had 3 red days. April, we only had we had no red days. March, we only had 1 red day. The blue days are break even. We've been kicking ass. We've been absolutely kicking ass. So give it a shot. Okay, give it a shot. The link is in the comment section and description. And if you guys want to actually trade with us, the link is in the comment section and description. We offer a 7-day free trial, guys, and a 30 days money back guarantee. Today we did play Cpop and we did make a killing on it. Okay, it was a really good trade for us. And again, 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Right now as well, the next 10 members that join, they still get access to it for a 50% discount. There's less spots available now. There's about 7 or 6 spots available. And yeah, check it out, okay? Wilson says, hi, my 7-day free trial finished. Maybe pause it and read some of these, okay? Maybe pause it and read some of these. I'm just going to scroll. You guys can, you know, do as you please. Let's jump to present day, okay? Shout out my people up there, 4:35 p.m. today. 848 since joining. I know this streak won't last, but it's been great. Shout out my man. Made a killing on IXHL, of course, from our alerts. I've been here for a month. I didn't play option never before. I learned options from Sam's course. Also, so we have lessons, courses, everything here for the members for free as well. If you guys are interested, small gains, but a gain for Friday. I appreciate you, my man. We've been kicking ass, man. We've been kicking ass. Check it out. The link is in the comment section and description. And yeah, try it out. Again, remember, I will never, ever, ever suggest you guys do something that I wouldn't do myself. Okay? And the 7-day free trial, I would definitely try the 7-day free trial. Maybe I won't stay for a month. Maybe I won't stay for 3 months. Maybe I won't stay. But I would try out the 7-day free trial because, again, it's free. You're losing nothing. We have 400 members coming back month after month after month. Ask yourself, why are people coming back? 400 members, majority of them paying full price. Right now, you have the chance to try it out for half the price. What are you waiting for? Head down below, go on the website, see more testimonials, check it out. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Remember, my friends, don't give up, don't quit, because 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders just quit before they become profitable. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Thanks for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.